Hey, this is Brett, Central Auto Body, here with Jim Nichols. Great guy, great shop. He's had it. How long have you had it, Jim?
We've been in business for 24 years, the Jim Nichols Collision Repair.
So Jim had plenty of options. Plenty of people wanted this body shop, some of the big guys. He chose to go with us. I appreciate it. I like the crew, like you.
Right.
And I'm really excited to be here. Any advice to give me while I'm here?
Just keep your nose to the grindstone, and I know
do
you
that.
will. But yeah, we sold the Central Auto Body because we really felt like they would be the best fit for the way that we do business and for our employees. They wanted to keep all our employees, which is very important to me. I could have sold to another entity that was not a body shop, but we decided not to and to stay with Central. So I really feel good about the transfer from us to them. So we will continue to keep in touch with Brett and his crew. My crew, that'll be his crew here, as of right now. So nothing will change. There's just going to be somebody different sitting at the desk.
So I still have your personal recommendation, friends and family.
Absolutely, absolutely. We want to have people we've done work with in the past, family, friends, business associates, to come out and give these guys your business because they're going to treat you every bit as good as what I've treated you guys in the past. So it's very important to me to see them come in here and continue to do the type of work, customer satisfaction that I've done over the years. So
Appreciate it, Jim. Thank you.
thank you,
Thanks
buddy.
for everything, man.
All right.